Namaskar friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. It is difficult to part ways with the beautiful decoration from Deepavali. This Deepavali, I really enjoy decorating my home. I cover topics like gifting ideas, diyas and candles, mandir, DIY decoration and bathroom deep cleaning. Well, time now is to pack and preserve all the decor items neatly so that I can keep reusing them for the years ahead. In fact, lots of my decor items have been carried forward from the previous years and they still look good. In today's video, we will see how to store and organize different types of festive decor items. Let's get started. The first step is to gather everything back. Segregate in three simple groups. Decor that is used often, the ones that is not used often, and lastly the broken and unwanted ones. There is no point in allocating a space for an item that cannot be used or recycled. Items that I don't use often will be parked in loft storage. Frequently used items will be stored in an easily accessible cabinet. And these items will be discarded. Let's start with items that will be parked in loft storage for next year. To store garlands, I use plastic Ziploc or cloth bags. Garlands are fluffy and take up the space. Make a bunch of 5 to 6 garlands. Tie a rubber band on the top and at the bottom. Now twist them a bit and roll. Store them in the bag and press gently to remove the excess air. Finally, press to engage the lock. I have these small ones as well with bells, keeping them separately. Loose flowers will also be stored in a separate bag. I also have this flower toran which is very fluffy, storing it separately in a cloth bag to preserve its shape. All the garlands are done. Now let's store the torans. Torans and door hangings are usually quite fragile. They need to be stored delicately. I'm using these plastic boxes of LED lights. If you don't have these, you can use this type of discarded takeaway containers. Keeping them separately lowers the chances of damages and tangling. Various types of new age LED lights add festive charm to the decor, but keeping them safely can be a challenge. LED string lights can be stored either in their own boxes or you may use any cardboard roll like toilet paper or kitchen paper roll. Make a cut on the top like this. Now insert the one end of the string light and roll gently to avoid tangling or breakage. At the end, make a cut again to secure the other end. Now use a box to store all the LED string lights in it. They're expensive to buy and safe storage ensures longevity. I have been using same lights for last 3 to 4 years. Labeling helps in easy identification next year. Now let's move to used LED candles and diyas and tea light candles. These 2 unopened packets of tea light candles will go in storage for next year. Few opened candles will be stored in this small plastic box for regular use. Same way I have these LED candles. These are the used ones, so keeping them separately from the unused ones. We'll label used and unused candles for easy identification. Usually clay diyas are one-time use, but I do keep few for some DIYs. These used decorative candles are so beautiful. I will keep them for some DIYs and crafts. Have washed them thoroughly and storing them in a box neatly labeled. My personal Rangoli color usage is limited to Diwali, therefore storing them in this small box. I have these beautiful Kundan Rangoli stickers and these plastic Rangolis. I have stored them in a discarded waste jewelry box to keep them safe. My usage of these beautiful tea light holders is limited to Diwali, therefore packing them safely for next year. Best way is to use their own cardboard boxes. Just wrap them in the plastic bag and pack in the cardboard boxes. If you don't have enough of these boxes, you may use bubble wrap and old newspaper to wrap these fragile items. Now everything is packed nicely. To store them, I am using discarded cardboard boxes. Splitting the items into two boxes so that they don't become heavy. Try to keep same types of items in one box. Fill up the gaps with newspapers. This will prevent movement and breakages while handling of the box. Labeling will help us to know what is where. This ladder is such a helping tool at my home for accessing the lofts. I am keeping all the stuff in the loft of my son's bedroom. Now let's see how do I store the decor items which may need frequent access. I use different types of artificial flowers for change of decor or video shoots. At a time, I use only 2 to 3 bunches and rest stay in the storage. To store artificial flowers, use any wide mouth vase that is out of usage. Cover the flowers using a plastic or cloth bag from the top. Idea is to preserve their shape and protection from dust. And then just store the vase in the storage. Alternatively, you can also use a tall bin like this to store different types of flowers. At Indian homes, brass decor items and utensils form the core of any festive decoration. They are prone to oxidation. Pack them in cloth bags and store them in a big box or basket in a dry and dust-free area. Urlis can be packed the same way in cloth bags. I use these aroma candles along with candle holders, tea light candle holders, decorative trays, festive table runners, dekchi frequently. They will share the cabinet space with brass items, storing them nicely. To maximize the space, I am using shelf rack. Candles are kept on the top and tea light holders dekchi at the bottom. On the other side, I have kept all the decorative trays in the corner along with the basket of brass items. Below, I have kept this marble stand and all the festive table runners and mats. And the organization and storage of occasionally used items is also done. Alternatively, if you do not have a cabinet to store all these decor items, you can use these type of big plastic containers and stack them in the storeroom or utility area. Well, at the beginning, I was hesitant to remove the decoration. Now, without decoration, home has found its own breathing space and routine rhythm. Homes are an extension of us, neither like to stay with or without makeup or decoration for forever. I think change to bring in the festive vibes and then returning to our routines are just two sides of the same coin called life. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.